it came! It finally came!
What is it?
This! My conveniently packaged, easy to use, waterproof, naturally sourced, made in the USA, Blackbeard Fire Starter.
That's nice, Dad.
I've been waiting for days. I'm gonna get some matches.
Prepper dads.
Okay, so I am actually really excited about this one for quite a few different reasons. Before I get into that, I wanted to remind you that we have merch. We have t-shirts for sale. And people love them. And people are buying them. And you should too. And if you haven't already purchased one, why not? We've got them, they say, reasonably prepared on them, established Y2K. We've got some that say prepared, not paranoid. And our most popular, prepared does not equal paranoid. Just click on the link below. It'll take you there under merch. Click on that link. It'll take you there. And you can buy any t-shirt you want. We've got hoodies, zip-up hoodies, pullover hoodies, and t-shirts. They're super comfortable. We have it on good authority that they feel nice to the skin because they're the high-quality ones. So go check out our merch in the link below and buy it. Buy all of it. Just buy more than we can sell. Just do that. Okay, so I'm super excited because I am always on the lookout for some more convenient, easier way to start a fire, to build a fire from the ground up. And kind of the most primitive way is going to be rubbing two sticks. The more primitive way is going to be rubbing two sticks together or doing a fire bow. But, you know, I don't want to do that. I want a more convenient way. And I want to be able to keep a fire starter in my backpack, in my car, and in case of emergency box that will allow me to take a small spark either from a lighter or from a ferro rod. You know, I always have a lighter on me, and then build a fire from the ground up. Now, you can check out the video we did where we homemade some fire starters, and those work out really well. They'll be in a link here. Actually, I'll just put a thing right here. I'm going to point. There'll be a little tab either here on this side to be able to do that. Go check that one out. They work really well. But what's this video about? I saw advertised a fire starter by a company called Blackbeard Fire Starter, and I got super intrigued. So I contacted them, and they were generous enough to send me some of their fire starters to review. And so I want to say thank you, Blackbeard, for being able to do that. And they let me have something else. I'll share it with you later on. But they sent me these fire starters so I can do a review, and I want to do a quick unboxing of the fire starter, of what's in the package. And then from there, we'll go out and we'll put them through some tests, okay? So for now, let's get into this. It came in an awesome gold block. Get it? Pirates booty, Blackbeard, pirate, blah, blah, blah. Big old gold bar. So I thought that was super duper funny. From the time I ordered it to the time I got it, it was just a few days. It was super fast. And even though they were sending it to me free of charge, which, once again, I appreciate. They're not sponsoring, but they were generous enough to do that. They sent me an email when it was, from when the order started to when it was being packaged up to when it was sent off to when it arrived. Every, moment of it, there was no guessing. They wanted me to know that their fire starter was on the way to my house. It was great. Their customer service in that regard was super good. So, here we go. I'm going to get into this gold block of fire starters. So, it arrived in my mailbox. Whew, that's sticky. Ooh, all kinds of stuff in here. So we've got the Blackbeard Fire Starter ropes. I have, what's this? I got 5 of them, it looks like. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full fire starters. Oh, there's more in here. Just take it out. Oh, little Blackbeard card. Blackbeard Fire Starters Tried True came in it as well. Here it goes. Welcome aboard, matey. Congratulations on the purchase of your dependable Blackbeard Fire Starter. Thank you for choosing to spend your hard-earned money, once again, thank you, Blackbeard, for hooking me up, on our product. We appreciate your support and value your business. Please feel free to leave us a review. We hope you enjoy. Thanks again. Cool thing here, and awesome little sticker, which is going to go on my truck. I got to say, this in and of itself is pretty darn awesome. with how fast it came. The way it was packaged was super funny, and I can't wait to get out and start testing these. So let's get to it.